understand everything about me. You know, I have already told you that I am from village area, and you know very well that it's too difficult to speak this language if you are living in village area. So I started teaching in 2009, and since then I have been teaching in the same school and the same subject, which is English. But you know,
Okay.
in 16 or 17 years, I never got the chance to speak in English, because I have already told you that I am from village area and I teach in the same village where I was born and brought up.
Okay.
And this school is Hindi medium school.
Mm-hmm.
And if I talk about spoken English, so I can say that it's been around 6 months. Since then, I have been trying to speak this language.
Okay, that's a great. So where did comes idea to speak English?
Okay, you know, ma'am, I am the teacher of.
So
Is it okay now?
yeah, now you okay. Okay. So good morning, sir.
Very good morning, very good morning. How are you?
Yeah, I'm pretty well. Thanks for asking. What about you?
Yeah, I am also doing great. Thanks for asking.
Okay. So as we are meeting first time, so please introduce yourself
Yes,
so
yes,
that we
definitely,
know
definitely.
each other. Mhm.
Definitely, we should start our conversation with short introduction first.
Yeah,
So, should I start first? Or you want to start
yeah,
first?
as you wish. Mhm.
Okay, okay. So, let me introduce myself first. My name is Vivek Chauhan and I am from Uttar Pradesh, district Bijnor. If I talk about my qualification, I am postgraduate in English, and as far as my profession is concerned, by profession I am a teacher. I am a private teacher, not government, and basically my teaching subject is English. But the thing is that I teach English subject in a Hindi medium school, where I never get the chance to speak in English. But nowadays, by using this application, I am trying to my best to speak this language, and simultaneously I am running a YouTube channel named English with Village Teacher, because I am from village area. I am a villager, and by profession I am a teacher. That's why I named my YouTube channel English with Village Teacher, where I upload English conversational videos so that my subscribers and my viewers may take the advantage of my video. That's all about me. Now it's your turn to
Okay.
introduce.
Yeah, sure, sir. My name is Suman and I'm from Punjab, but recently I live in Delhi because I got married there. And as far as my qualification concerned, I have done graduation, and apart from that, I have done NTT diploma. And along with that, I'm also tuition teacher online and both offline. And I am also blessed one kid. And if I talk about my hobby, so nowadays my hobby become a listen English content more and more. That's all about me.
Okay, good. So as you have mentioned that you are also a teacher, so which subject do you teach?
I teach primary students, so that's why I teach all subjects. And I also teach who is a like a initially student, so I teach English grammar or speaking part, whatever I have knowledge.
Very good.
Yeah.
So
So
when did you start teaching?
I teach student before marriage. I think I teach 2007 when I was too much young. So from that time I teach.
2007.
Yeah,
Oh, good. So you
yeah.
have a long experience like me, because
Yeah, but
even I started
mhm.
teaching in 2009.
Okay, but sir, I didn't teach any school. I just along with my study, I teach at my home as like a coaching.
Okay, good.
And
So
still I am
which class students do you teach?
I teach from
Like
first to fifth standard. Yeah.
Okay. Good. Very good. Very good. And
Mhm.
when did you start learning this language? I mean to say English.
I start my English speaking from November, last November. And you, sir, please tell me about you. When did you start your speaking journey?
Okay. Yeah. I will tell you each and everything about me. You know, I have already told you that I am from village area, and you know very well that it's too difficult to speak this language if you are living in village area.
Mhm.
So I started teaching in 2009, and since then I have been teaching in the same school and the same subject, which is English. But you know,
Okay.
in 16 or 17 years, I never got the chance to speak in English because I have already told you that I am from village area and I teach in the same village where I was born and brought up.
Okay.
And this school is Hindi medium school.
Mhm.
And if I talk about spoken English, so I can say that it's been around 6 months. Since then, I have been trying to speak this language.
Okay, that's a great. So where did comes idea to speak English?
Okay, you know, ma'am, I am the teacher of English subject. So that's why I am supposed to speak in English. But
Mhm.
due to lack of atmosphere, environment, I was unable to speak this language. But
Mhm.
nowadays I am using this application, so I can say that I am taking the advantage of this application. So when I use
Okay.
this application, I get the chance to speak in English, and I also have two kids at my home. So I can say I am the father of two kids. My daughter is 14 years old. She studies in 10th class. So whenever I feel like speaking in English, so I talk to her.
Okay.
And you know, she also studies in Hindi medium school,
Okay.
but she can speak English better than me.
Because of you.
Yeah, you are right. You are right. Although she
Mhm.
studies in Hindi medium school, but she can speak in English because I teach her.
She also study at the same school.
No,
They
no, no, no,
over
no,
there you teaching?
no. She studies in another school.
Okay.
Yeah, and I have a son who is 6 years old. Sometimes I talk to him also.
Okay. That's a great. So yeah, actually I have so many questions. Uh,
Okay. You can ask.
mhm.
I will try my
First of
best to answer your
mhm.
questions.
First of all, I think you are trying within 1 week, but I didn't give time because of time lacking, right?
Yeah, you are right. You are right. I have been
Mhm.
trying to talk to you for a long time, but
Yeah.
at that time
So
you
sorry
didn't
for
have
that.
time. Yeah.
Mhm. Okay, so today you didn't go to school?
No. Right now, I am in my school. You can see. This is the office.
Oh,
You know, the thing is
okay.
that eighth period is going on, and my eighth period is vacant. So I thought
Okay.
I should utilize my time. That's why
Okay.
I wrote in the message box that if you are free at 12 o'clock, then we can talk.
Okay, that's a great. Okay. That's why sometime I free, then you busy, so I free. That's why we
Yes.
haven't connected for
Okay.
long time. Yeah.
Today I am happy that you have given me the chance to talk to you.
Yeah, I am also happy. It's my pleasure. So, sir, do you talk with your student also while teaching?
No. You know, ma'am, I tried many times to talk to them in English, but I couldn't speak. I couldn't talk to them in English because for some time they feel happiness that our teacher is speaking in English, but after some times they say that no, sir, don't speak in English because we are unable to understand.
Okay, so which standard do you teach?
I teach 9th to 12th class students.
Okay. Okay. Still, they are
And
not able to understand.
yes. And my main subject is English.
Okay.
I
So they
teach UP
don't
board
want.
course. UP board
Uh,
course.
okay. So they don't want to speak. They don't want. They don't motivate with you.
No, ma'am, they want to speak. They want to speak, but they think that in 15 days or in 30 days we can speak this language. But I think that it's not possible. You know,
Yes.
it takes time
Yes. It takes time. Yeah.
because since our birth, since our childhood, we have been speaking our mother tongue, which is Hindi, and there
Mm-hmm.
are so many languages which are spoken in
Mm-hmm.
India.
Mm-hmm. I also study in Hindi medium school, and actually, my born was in UP, but I raised in Chandigarh. I study sixth standard, from first to sixth standard in UP. But when I went Chandigarh because of my father's job, so there I can't take admission because I don't know Punjabi. Punjabi is most important.
Okay, in Chandigarh.
Yeah, Chandigarh and Punjab.
Okay, mostly people speak Punjabi language.
Hmm. So that's why my whole study do in open from
Oh,
UP. I live there. I live Chandigarh, but whenever exams comes, then I went to for my exams.
okay. So where did you get married? I
I
forgot.
got married in Delhi.
In Delhi. So right now you are in Delhi.
Yeah,
Okay, so may I know something about your husband?
yeah, of course.
So what does
He's
he
a
do?
transport manager.
Oh, good. So do you
Mhm.
have a son or daughter?
I have a son.
Okay. How
Mhm.
old is he?
He's 8 year old.
Okay, so in which
Have you
class does
seen?
he study?
Have you seen in my channel? On
No,
my channel?
no.
Okay. Okay. I also upload their video. He
Okay,
upload his video. Yeah.
okay. So you make video with him.
Yeah, sometime whenever he on holiday, so that time I try to
Okay.
make video with him.
Hmm.
Mhm.
So when did you start your YouTube channel?
I started from July, last July.
Last July.
I mean,
Okay.
it's been 2 months.
Okay. Yeah, yes. Okay.
And
Very
when
good.
did you start your channel?
I think I started my YouTube channel in January, in the month of January.
Okay, so how many subscriber on your channel?
I think 470 something.
Okay, that's a great achievement.
Hmm.
Okay, so how many video do you upload video every day or alternate days?
Sometimes I upload every day video and sometimes every alternative day. Sometimes after 3 days, after 4 days.
Sometime twicely or thricely in a week.
Hmm. I have uploaded, I think, 130 videos.
Okay.
Yes. So,
Hmm.
do you have any other question to ask?
Yeah, I would like to what is what do you do apart from your teaching and to
For
create a
living?
video? What do
For
you do
living?
another thing?
Yeah, as I have already told you that I live in village area. So, I have some land also. So, you can say that I am a farmer also. I do farming.
Okay.
I grow like sugarcane, wheat, paddy,
Uh,
mustard like that.
okay.
And I take tuitions also at my home after school.
Oh wow. It means you're doing hard work.
Yes, you are right. You are right.
Mhm.
You know, nowadays everything is so expensive.
Yeah, right,
So we have to
right.
work. We have to work for our living.
Mm-hmm. Right. You are truly right.
And let me tell
Okay.
you something about my wife. My wife is a housewife as well as a beautician. She runs a beauty parlor.
Oh, wow. Okay. Means both are settled.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
If you have
So,
any other question, ma'am, then you can ask. I will try my best.
mm, so as if you don't mind, as you both are working, so why don't you took admission in private, sorry, English medium school to
Yeah,
your kid?
good question. Good question. You know, ma'am, in my area, there are so many schools at the name of English medium, but in reality, they are not. They have books of English subject, but if I talk about teachers, they are from Hindi medium. So I
Mm-hmm.
can say that they are not providing the English atmosphere. You know, why do we send our children to English medium? In order to learn English, but they are not getting the chance to speak in English. So
Mm-hmm.
why should I spend my money? Are you getting my point?
Yeah, I am getting your point.
That's why I am not sending my children to that English medium school.
Okay. So, but if your children go to Hindi medium school, so math, English, sorry, science, physics, whatever. So all are in Hindi, like books
Yes,
are
yes.
in Hindi
Yeah,
medium.
you are right. All the books are in Hindi.
Okay. But I think there is one disadvantage when they go to in English medium school, at least they study like science, physics, whatever. So they
Mhm.
study in a English book, right?
You
If
are
they
right. You
go.
are right. So, ma'am, if you don't mind, now I have to go my home. So we can connect again. But it was a nice conversation with you.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much for connecting me. I
Okay,
also
fine.
enjoy a lot. Okay, bye.
Okay, okay. Same here. Same here. Bye, ma'am.